everyone. It is Kristen Freeman. I am with Beach Happy Travel. I just got to Secrets St. James in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And I wanted to share with you just a quick peek of my room. So that you could get a look and see what these beautiful accommodations look like. So we're gonna start, oh, there I am, hello. We are gonna start right here in the bathroom. You walk in that front door, you can see you have a separate little water closet here. And then a, whoops, sorry, shower's on the other end. Nice little shower area. Rain shower head, which is nice. And then check out this beautiful soaker tub. Actually, jetted tub. And you can see that it goes right through here to the bedroom area. So you have a really nice view. You want to take that in. I'm going to take you over here to the closet area, so safe, which is very important. This room does come with a steamer. You get some slippers. And then over on the side, nice little closet space that you can see. Has some extra blankets. We did get a room with 2 queen beds, but a lot of space. Really nice, great decor. And then of course, you have your stocked refrigerator, which is always nice. Water, sodas, and then of course the red stripe that Jamaica's known for. Very nice little sitting area. Nice little welcome snack. It's gonna be my desk for the week. But I cannot complain about the view that I have. So let's take a peek outside. I have not yet been into the property. I'm heading that way. But I'll have to tell you, this is the view. And it is pretty fabulous. So nice pool area. You can see a beautiful beach area. Somewhat of a cove over there, which is nice if you want to do some snorkeling, because it does allow for some calmer water, so you can do that. Then just a little peek here at the rest of the resort. We do have a nice little sitting area here on the patio. So I'm very excited to explore this resort a little bit more, and I will share with you some more pictures and entertainment and excitement as I go throughout the week. So Secret St. James in